Hey everyone, Will at JeepLifestyles.com. We just wanted to take a couple minutes to show you what we've been up to. We've been extremely busy, haven't put a lot of stuff on Facebook or our social media sites, so we wanted to take a couple minutes, create a video and show you what we've been up to. We've been doing some work with Power Tank. We just did an install on this white YJ, but the mounting systems, there's a couple different options. That's not necessarily why we wanted to showcase the Power Tank. More importantly, we're going to have some upcoming video of this in use out on the trails. Whether you're making repairs, filling up large tires like this after a day of wheeling, or you just need something in travel, engage a set of lockers that may have broken that might be air lockers, this is our go-to choice. And again, we're going to have some great video coming up, but in addition to the Power Tank stuff, we've been working with several other manufacturers. Now Yukon, we've just installed a set of their hardcore locking hubs. In the past, we were just down in Moab for Easter Jeep Safari. We busted a hub out on the trail. Last thing you want when you're getting started on a day of wheeling is to break something. So we've upgraded it. Again, we've gone with the Yukon hardcore locking hub. So we're gonna have an install video as well as a quick how-to on those, how they install. Another great item. Now moving a little further on to another one of the off-roading YJs. This thing for years has had a spool in the rear, power tracks up front. It's worked for a long time and it's worked great. When you're going to use something like this for more of a summertime or even day-to-day use, those spools are going to tear up tires. It's going to put added stress that you don't need on components. So again, we're working with Yukon and we're going to install a zip locker in the rear as well as one in the front, so we have that ability to engage or disengage that locker when we do or when we don't want it activated. So some more great stuff coming from Yukon. Now this thing, in all of the places around the country that it's gone and gone wheeling, there's different elevations, there's different types of terrain to where it may be on a very steep incline. It's had a couple different aftermarket carburetors on it. Well, we've partnered up, gotten with Howell, and we've done a fuel injection, one of Howell's EFI systems. So we're going to have that in a video as well as a write-up form on the Jeep Lifestyles website. So make sure you check it out. Again, we've been very busy, got a lot of great things going on. We're getting ready to head to the Black Hills of South Dakota next week for Jeep Camp, so stay tuned. We're going to have some great video for you from over there.